Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at this Razer E100 Glow electric scooter for kids. Now, in today's video, I want to talk a little bit about this scooter and what you can expect when you get it. Now, the first thing I noticed about this scooter is that it has a really strong and durable build to it, and I really think this scooter will last a long time based on the high quality components and the strong metals that they use to build this scooter. Now, one feature I really appreciated about this scooter is that the actual surface where you'll go ahead and rest your foot on the scooter does have a grip tape style grip to it. It does kind of have that sandpaper style, which gives a great grip, and that's excellent because a lot of these scooters are made of plastic and your foot can easily just slide right off. Now, the back wheel is a little thinner and does have a more classic scooter style look to it, but the front wheel is a tire and it is actually inflated, and there's even a valve to go ahead and inflate or deflate this tire. Now, on the handle, you actually have your acceleration on the right, and then on the left, you actually have your brakes, and you can easily just go ahead and squeeze the brake handle and you'll see that the brake pads will engage and go ahead and stop the front tire and slow this scooter to a stop. Now, a handy little feature I did like about this scooter is that it does have a kickstand, so you can actually go ahead and store the scooter standing upright. Now, they claim the scooter can get up to 40 minutes of continuous ride time, but that will vary based on your conditions, how well you maintain the scooter, and also how long you charge the scooter. Overall, I'm very impressed with this electric scooter. I think it's a really cool and very high quality product, and for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.